From innovative materials to cutting-edge techniques, today's construction technologies are reaching new heights of efficiency and sustainability. In this video, we will explore some remarkable advancements that are transforming the way we build our homes and structures. HausBots. HausBots HB1, the wall-climbing robot that's ready to tackle a wide range of construction tasks. Whether it's painting, inspection, or maintenance, this robot's got you covered. It works with a unique suction system that grips rough and smooth surfaces, including both metal and non-metal, and it can even handle wires and surface bolts. With a 6-kilogram payload and the ability to climb up to 30 meters from the ground, the HB1 is equipped with sensors that keep it operating safely and autonomously. It's a powerful and versatile tool for tasks that are dangerous, difficult, or time-consuming to perform manually. Think about it: painting, HD visual inspection, building and infrastructure surveys. It's all on the table. The HB1's carefully designed suction system creates 42 kilograms of force, giving you the reliability you need. And with a 6-kilogram payload, you have plenty of room for your project, whether it's sensing, inspecting, grabbing, painting, or more. The possibilities are almost unlimited. LokPod. Meet LokPod, an Australian innovation in sustainable slab building. LokPod is a patent void forming system made from 100% recycled plastic. It doesn't require separate engineer certification, meeting all of Australian standards, making LokPod an easy and efficient choice for your construction projects. With LokPod, you can say goodbye to waiting for multiple deliveries. Its compact, stackable design ensures that all your slab requirements arrive on site in one go. Plus, LokPod has an integrated sharing system, eliminating the need for traditional spacers and bar chairs. Even in the brightest Australian conditions, LokPod's matte finish reduces glare, allowing you to build with confidence. Its stackable design keeps everything grounded, and its weight-bearing tolerance ensures a secure surface underfoot. Available in various sizes, it's fully integrated and sustainable, set to modernize residential construction. BETONBLOCK. Easily craft stackable concrete blocks that can be used for partition walls, retaining walls, flooring, and more. Also perfect for agricultural and recycling applications. What sets BETONBLOCK apart is the versatility it offers. With their clever divider plate, you can make multiple smaller concrete blocks using just one standard mold. Need sloping blocks? They have a 45-degree divider plate for that. And if you want to add a staircase to your blocks, they've got a staircase model divider. Plus, they offer a cover plate that creates blocks with a flat top. BETONBLOCK molds is straightforward. Just spray the inside of the mold with their special concrete release agent, pour in the concrete, and they even offer a concrete vibrator to ensure a smooth casting process. BETONBLOCK has got you covered with accessories like the block clamp for easy forklift lifting, the block turner to get your blocks upright, and the rotator clamp for both lifting and rotation. With BETONBLOCK, you will save on waste and disposal costs while earning extra by producing marketable products using 100% of demolition waste. These molds create concrete blocks that interlock and snap together effortlessly, providing the structural integrity you need and the flexibility to disconnect, rearrange, and reattach as needed. Sixth Sense. Introducing the Sixth Sense by ILLUMAGEAR, a game-changer for electrical workers in potentially risky environments. This remarkable safety device, designed to be worn on any standard hard hat, acts as your personal voltage, current, and fall detector. Imagine having a tool that can identify both AC and DC voltage, current, and live electrical wires from up to 6 inches away. It even features a built-in accelerometer to detect faults. Plus, it's got a visible and audible alarm system that keeps you informed and safe, to keep you aware of any potential hazards. For electrical workers, it's a valuable asset offering early detection of electrical hazards to help prevent accidents and injuries. Your safety matters, and the Sixth Sense has got your back. EuroGravel. The EuroGravel Plus Gravel Grid is a fantastic solution for stabilizing gravel surfaces. Its strong and flexible honeycomb profile keeps gravel in place, eliminating the need for frequent raking and making maintenance easier. Additionally, it comes with a weed control membrane, ensuring that unwanted weeds won't sprout. This gravel grid is ideal for various applications such as garden paths, driveways, or ornamental gardens. It can handle the weight of pedestrians, cyclists, and even cars, thanks to its ability to withstand loads of up to 129 tons per square meter. What sets EuroGravel Plus apart is its large panel size, making it a cost-effective choice for covering extensive areas. The hexagonal cell profile is designed to resist the forces generated when driven on, ensuring stability. So, if you're looking for a cost-effective and practical solution to maintain your gravel surfaces and keep them looking neat, EuroGravel Plus is an excellent choice. It's sturdy, easy to install, and can handle a variety of uses. Pump Jack. Now, let's talk about a versatile and robust tool that's a must-have for various construction tasks. Whether you are raising and lowering scaffolding for painting, roofing, or siding, lifting and positioning heavy objects, or even leveling and supporting structures, the BETONBLOCK Pump Jack has got you covered. These jacks come in different models tailored to your specific needs. Some are built for lighter tasks, while others are ready for heavy-duty work. Plus, you will find various heights and lifting capacities to choose from. You get great value for your money with these affordably priced jacks. The Pump Jack is a great investment for any homeowner or professional. Its 1,000-pound capacity and durable construction make it a versatile and reliable tool for a variety of tasks. Whether you are lifting heavy loads, scaffolding, or just need a sturdy work platform, the BETONBLOCK Pump Jack is up to the task. Tenmat. Tenmat's passive fire protection products are your essential defense against the spread of fire in buildings. They play a crucial role in safeguarding even the coziest homes like houses and apartments. These products are straightforward and to the point, designed to seal around pipes, cables, and other surfaces that pass through fire-rated walls and floors. Think fire-stopping blocks, sealants, and foams. When it comes to sealing the cavities in brick facades and external walls to prevent fire spread, Tenmat has got you covered with non-ventilated fire barriers, cavity fire barriers, and linear gap seals. If you are worried about protecting lighting fixtures, ductwork, and ventilated systems, they offer fire-rated light covers, fire dampers, and intumescent sheets. Among their popular products, the Firefly intumescent coatings create a thick, fire-resistant barrier on substrates like steel, concrete, and wood. The Firebox for recessed lighting and downlights is a hassle-free fire barrier for your lighting fixtures. Plus, they've got non-ventilated and ventilated cavity fire barriers for your external wall needs. What sets Tenmat apart is their commitment to meeting and exceeding building code requirements, ensuring compliance with regulations in most countries. RAMP-TEC. This versatile and durable mold is your ticket to creating top-notch concrete stairs. It's not your ordinary mold. The model RAMP-TEC Plus comes with electric-driven automatic adjustment, allowing you to easily change the ramp's inclination and the landing angle. Plus, it's equipped with inclination sensors for precise step height variations and automatic landing adjustments. You also have the flexibility to adjust the length of the stair or landing as needed. The model RAMP-TEC Plus can be fitted with vibrators and heating systems, making sure the service quality is top-notch and speeding up the curing process. And thanks to its automatic control, you get the maximum degree of flexibility. RAMP-TEC offers extensive portfolio of molds for staircases and platforms, or have the design customized to your projects. Subscribe.